For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes shall not perish but have everlasting life, 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 life. John 3:16.
Hi Gummy Bears! Welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Show Me State 23 and I'm coming in today with a wig review. If you're interested in finding out which unit this is on my head, then please stay tuned. Okay Gummy Bears, with no further ado, this unit is by Outre. It is in the style Aries, and this is from their Melted Hairline collection. It is a 2x5 deluxe wide lace parted wig, and this unit is in the color DRFF4/Golden Honey. It is a high text fiber and it is heat resistant up to 400 degrees. Let's get into the pros and the cons about this wig. The pros are it is super duper beautiful. It is thick. I mean, like super thick. So you won't have to worry about tracks peeking through. It's perfect if you love thick hair like I do. This wig is 2 thumbs up. I love the way it fits. I love the color. I love everything about this wig. I love the parting space. It is a 2x5 lace part, so it's amazing. Let's see here. I think this should be around at least a good 6 inches in that part. I'm sure that you can shift it if you want to get like a middle part. There's so many different things you can do with this wig. It is so beautiful. Sometimes when you get wigs and you look at the stock card, they're misleading, but this is not misleading. I think it's spot on. Look at that. It's gorgeous. So yes, the cons. Only one, because it doesn't shed that much. It just shedded a little bit, and I think it only shedded because I cut off the lace, which is super soft, by the way. The only con that I would have to say about this wig is that when I got it, if you recall during the preview of this wig, there were like baby hairs that had some kind of a product on them. I don't know what was going on with that Outre, but I don't like any products on my hair before I get it. You know what I mean? I want to be able to be the one to add the products into the hair, because you never know, someone may have an allergic reaction, and no one really wants to get a synthetic wig out of the bag and have to start washing it, because it might tangle, it's gonna clump up, it's just gonna be a horror story. But yeah, that was the only thing. So what I did was I just removed them, because I don't want that on my skin. The frontal hairline, there's no plucking required. I did pluck a little bit, but there was not too much that you have to do with this wig because it's already done. It's a beautiful wig and I love it. So it definitely does have the face framing highlights. That is what FF stands for in coloring. So it just has a variety of beautiful blondes and goldens, and it's rooted, so I love that. It has that 1B/4ish type of a mixture right in the rooted area. I did not add any powder or anything into that lace. Can you Gummy Bears believe that? I did not pluck it. It's so beautiful and perfect. I just added some hair accessories just to make it pop a little bit more. And you know, I have like this thing with butterflies right now, so I just popped 2 of those on just to give it a little bit of beauty. I mean, it doesn't need anything more added to it, but you know, it never hurts to add more accessories, so that's why I added those. This is a beautiful spring/summer hairstyle. Super affordable. I love it, and I'm grateful that ebonyline.com went ahead and sent this unit to me, and they have great products. I want you Gummy Bears to check out their website if you have not already done so, but if you have done so, go back and check it out again and purchase Aries. Look at this wig, it's gorgeous. It has 2 combs in the front, and it's very comfortable, very cozy wig. I have to add that in. And then it has 1 comb in the back with an adjustable strap, 2 adjustable straps, and then it also has another strap for extra security, which I love that as well. I love this wig, and if you love it, feel free to purchase it from ebonyline.com. Until next time, don't forget that the sky is your limit and that I love you. May God bless you, Gummy Bears. Mwah. Mwah. Bye. Aries. Oh.